Hello everyone, I welcome you to another video of my channel. So this video is going to be about how you can set up Ollama and use the most advanced model till date, that is the Qwen 3 Coder Next model, which has like 256K context and all, and which is a 51 GB model. In your Linux terminals for multiple Linux based operating system like Kali Linux, Ubuntu and many more. So let us begin. So first is updation of your Ubuntu. So just write sudo apt update and then apt upgrade. So, and sudo apt upgrade space -y. Type your password. Press enter. Just wait for a few seconds. Depending upon your network speed and the last time you used this command, it will just not take so much longer. The second command is few basic utilities required for essential dependencies setups. So what you need to do is just write sudo apt install -y curl wget. So we need git 2, so just write git and build dash essential and wait for like 30 seconds. That's it. Now let's just verify whether the git was initialized in our operating system or not. Just write git space dash version. And you can see git has been successfully installed. Now we have to check our hardware and configure it. So let us first check our RAM. We have to unallocate some buffering, memory bufferings and all. So just write 3 space -h. So as you can see, I have quite the space. Now just write ls cpu. This command is used for checking CPU configurations and all. So you can check your CPU. So architecture x86, CPU operation mode 32 and 64. 64 is required, make sure you have it. And you can check other major things. Meaning if you want to check whether the compatibility of Quen is aligning with your systems and all, just check for frequency boost, it should be enabled, and check for CPU operation mode and architecture. That's it. If it is less than this, make sure to not run the model because it will be unstable and will not respond. Well, the installation will not begin. That's it. Now let us check our GPU performance. Let us just see that is it enabled or not. Just write ls cpi space straight dash space grep space dash and capital EI and space single quotes. Just write VGA straight slash 3D straight slash display, and that's it. So as you can see, command lscpi, oh sorry, not lscpi, lspci. This is yeah, lspci, sorry. So as you can see, VGA compatible controller, NVIDIA Corporation. I have the GeForce RTX 3050 mobile. and advanced micro device AMD and on. So as you can see, we have the required NVIDIA. If you have NVIDIA, then just write NVIDIA dash SMI. So you can check its configuration. Alright. So this is how you can check with the you know you can just check the configuration of your hardware that it is compatible with the 52 GB model. If you are running Point 3 Coder Next, which is the final latest advanced reasoning model along with mathematical and code generation engine, which is the MOE, and quantization to make local interference sustainability more practical and working. So this is how you can check the required infographic of your hardware. Now, what we are left with is install Ollama. Since I have already installed, I will just show you the steps responsible to initialize Ollama. Just write curl space dash f s capital S L space https colon slash slash Ollama dot com slash install dot sh space dash sh. There will be space. Alright, that's it. And press enter. So as you can see, it is cleaning up my old version because there is an existing version in my system. The downloading will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes depending on your network speed. So as you can see, it has started. I'll just pause the video so that I won't consume a lot of time. So as you can see, when the download completed, it added Ollama user to render groups, video groups, Ollama groups. Alright, it created our services, enabled and started Ollama services right away. So you do not require any manual intervention to enable or anything. Even though it also enabled and installed NVIDIA GPU performance. Just to verify, just write Ollama space dash dash version. And here you go. Done. That's it. Now let us enable the Ollama service so that we can interact with the model. Just write sudo system. Alright, in system system, just write ctl system ctl space enable space dash dash now which Ollama, and just check the status system ectl system system ctl status Ollama. So as you can see, Ollama service active. If it shows green, this means active. If it is red, I would say rewrite this command. Alright, and just press Q and it will terminate. You can also verify the Ollama is responding or not by writing this curl space https colon uh, slash localhost colon 11434434, and that's just localhost creation, terminal host, that's it, API slash tags. So we are getting wrong version number. That means we haven't received the JSON file. If Ollama is working, you will receive the JSON file. Yeah, I just remember that we have written else. It is not required because we aren't using secure. We are just using a local host. Sorry for my mistake. And you can see it has created a JSON file. This is what it is required. Alright, let us just verify it by saying yes. It shows that your system has Qwen 3 core and next latest. Actually, because my system already had this model, I'm just showcasing that how you can establish and all. Now, what we are left with is uh, the, the meaning. What we are left with is installation of Qwen 3 Code Next model. So for enabling Qwen 3 Code Next, you need to first pull, right, llama pull Qwen dash 3 dash coder. Do not make a space between them. Qwen 3 is together and then just write dash coder dash next. So, well, my system has already pulled the manifest, loaded the model, and installed it. So, my system already has that. But since you will be installing it for the very first time, it is gonna be taking around uh, like 2 to 3 hours. All right. So make sure that your Linux is not set to display setting for less than 5 minutes. Try to expand the time for the display. Make sure it does not close. Otherwise, the terminal just right away terminates. Sometimes. Qwen Qwen 3 dash coder dash next. So when you will be writing this, it will start the installation. Alright, but since on my system it is already downloaded, it will not download. It will just right away load the model and then you will just have a direct query asking what do you want to do and all. But when you will install it for the very first time, it will take approximately 2 to 3 hours because it is 52, around 52 GB, right? And as you can see it will take longer for loading because it's not just some model like gamma or any other, because it is one of the most legit reasoning model which is capable of doing very multi-complex tasks. You can eventually load it in DPS code itself, so it will take possibly a longer time depending upon your network speed as well. So as you can see, it has downloaded successfully. It is present on my system. Now if I just give it a command like, let us say, I wanna fetch my system, I wanna fetch my system's all installed apps. So it will automatically ask for authorizations and all. You just have to type your password and all, but it usually doesn't. So it will take longer than I expected, because so as you can see it has started to provide me the methods and all. So as you can see it is just like responding to your questions and queries. So right now it has just been established. So that means it is not aware about are you on Windows, are you using it on Linux and all. So make sure that when you will constantly have discussions and all, it will just uh, get the visual context of your conversation and dependencies in its memory context in here. that isn't a big issue. So this is the process of establishing Coin 3 code and next in your model, right? If you want, you can just wait for a while and you can just use it for coding as well. So as you can see, it has terminated and it provided a very detailed context and all. And when you will be writing your queries and all, you will see your GPU has been enabled automatically. So it will not be requiring your interference between enabling or anything. Now you just need to do one thing is Control C. If you will use Control C, that means it will not work. So what you need to do is Control T and Llama will be terminated. The one command that you have to always remember for using Win3 code and next model at every Linux terminal is first let me just show you how you can check Ollama's model which has been installed, Ollama list. This enables you to showcase that which model has been installed, which categories, size and modify. That's it. Now the command that you will have to always remember is for running Qwen3 code and next is Ollama run Qwen3 dash coder dash next. This is the only command that you have to remember. That's it. Now if you want you can also generate codes like create a Python script for importing data. So it will just analyze the query and just respond to you. So as you can see right now, it has provided me with a detailed code, which you can use as such as you want. So this is how you can use a latest Qwen model in your Ollama. I hope this video really helped you during the installation of both Ollama and Qwen and how to use it and how you can benefit from it. So make sure to like, subscribe and share. I would really benefit if you could subscribe because I've been making stuffs and I've just realized that I'm not getting such support from my audience that I should really benefit it from. So make sure to like, subscribe and share, and if you feel like that it could benefit others, so make sure to share as well. Thank you.